Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to become a good Android developer. In today's world, mobile applications have become an integral part of our lives, and being an Android developer can open up many doors for you in terms of career opportunities. In this video, we will discuss the steps you can take to become a good Android developer. Step 1. Learn Java, Kotlin. The first step to becoming a good Android developer is to learn Java or Kotlin. Java has been the primary language for Android development, but Kotlin is quickly gaining popularity. Start with a language that is beginner-friendly, and once you are comfortable with it, you can move on to more advanced concepts. Step 2. Learn Android Studio. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment, IDE, for Android development. Learn the ins and outs of the Android Studio IDE, including how to set up a project, add dependencies, and debug your code. Step 3. Understand the Android architecture components. The Android architecture components provide a set of libraries that help you design robust, testable, and maintainable apps. Familiarize yourself with these components, including live data, viewModel, room, and navigation. Step 4. Build apps. Building apps is the best way to learn Android development. Start by building simple apps, and gradually move on to more complex projects. Participate in coding challenges and hackathons to test your skills and learn from other developers. Step 5. Read and watch tutorials. There is a wealth of information available on Android development, and you can learn a lot from reading books, blogs, and watching tutorials. You can also enroll in online courses or attend coding boot camps to learn from experienced developers. Step 6. Publish apps on Google Play Store. Publishing your app on the Google Play Store is an excellent way to showcase your skills and get feedback from users. It also demonstrates to potential employers that you have experience in developing and publishing apps. Step 7. Join a community. Joining a community of like-minded Android developers can provide you with support, inspiration, and opportunities to learn. You can join online forums, attend meetups, or participate in coding clubs. Becoming a good Android developer requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. By following these steps, you can build the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in this exciting field. Remember to stay curious, practice regularly, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your Android development journey.